Your competitors are growing on Google. You can see it on the search results page. CPCs are up in almost every niche, some by over 10% year on year. That's not random. That's competition intensifying. I've audited 40 brands' paid search strategies already in 2026. And what I keep finding is that most teams have no idea who their true competitors are on Google. They're guessing, bidding more, and hoping the economics work. And that's simply just expensive guesswork. The brands that win on Google aren't outspending their competitors. They're outsmarting them. Systematic, data-driven intel on exactly what their competitors are doing, and more importantly, what they're not doing. Now, there are paid tools that make this easier. SpyFu, SEMrush, tools I use every day inside my agency. But today I'm going to show you two tools that cost you absolutely nothing, and when used correctly will give you more insight than most brands get from paying for the expensive stuff. The first tool is sitting inside your Google Ads account right now, and it's called Auction Insights. Most brands have seen it, almost none are using it correctly. The mistake I see is that they run Auction Insights at the account level, look at a list of domains and think they've done competitor research, but they haven't, because account level data is noise. It's averaging across every campaign you run, your branded terms, your generic terms, your highest intent keywords, and your lowest intent keywords. All of it blended together into numbers that don't really tell you much. But to actually use it, you want to go to your highest performing non-branded campaigns. Look at your highest performing ad groups. Run Auction Insights at that level. Now you're going to see who you're bidding against for your most valuable, highest intent traffic. And that data is specific. Impression share overlap. Who's outranking you? Who's been gaining ground over the last 7, 14, 30 days? You can filter down by time period. Last week versus the week before. Are there new competitors entering into the auction? Is someone who used to match you pulling back? Are you losing impression share in auctions that matter the most to your brand? This is your competitive map. It shows you who your actual competitors are, not who you think they are. Most brands are so surprised by what I show them. I might find a competitor that's overlapping with them 60% of the time, and it comes as a complete surprise to them. But then we brainstorm exactly what makes them better than that very competitor. Is it quality, delivery times, PR mentions? Then we use that information to gain the upper hand in our ad copy. And in this way, we're going on the offensive, reclaiming market share. Tool number 2 is Google Ads Transparency Center. And this second tool is public. It's free and almost nobody uses it seriously. Go to ads.transparency.google.com and search any competitor by their company name or their URL, and you'll see every ad they're running. Search ads, display ads, video ads, shopping ads, current campaigns, and historical ones. This is the equivalent of walking right into your competitor's Google Ads account. Look out for ad copy themes. What offers are they leading with? What benefits? What call to action? If they've been running the same message for months, well then chances are that message is working. Look for format gaps. Are they running video at all? If not, then that could be an open door for you. What's their creative approach? Are they using lifestyle imagery or white background product shots in all of their shopping ads? Are they using UGC or polished studio content? Here's what most brands do with that information though. They copy it. They see an aspirational competitor's best performing ad and just try to replicate it. They see a competitor's offer and they match it. But that's the wrong move. What you're actually looking for is the gap. What are they not doing? No video ads. Well, then launch a new video campaign. Generic product titles that look like Shopify defaults. Focus on optimizing your titles and images to get the upper hand in the shopping tab. Running everything to a homepage, but build a dedicated landing page. Larger brands have longer approval chains. So while they might have more budget, a strategic decision that can take you a single day to execute might take them 3 weeks. Speed is a real advantage, so use it to your advantage. If you're a direct consumer brand doing over $1 million per year in revenue, and you want someone to do this deep analysis for you and build a Google Ads strategy around the gaps your competitors are leaving open, there's a link to book a strategy call below. I'll audit your account, show you where the opportunities are, and give you a clear picture on what it would take to turn Google into a profitable and predictable channel for your business. Links in the description. I'll see you in the next one.